Alis kasi kami. Ano yun?
May kaning lamig ka.
Ha?
Kaning lamig.
Kaning lamig? Wala naman ako binibentang kanin.
Hindi ba ka pwede makahingi ng kaning lamig kasi wala kaming bigas ngayon. Di pa kami nakasaing eh. Alauna na.
Hala.
Baka pwede makahingi. Kasi di ba hindi ka naman nagpapautang ng bigas. Kaya pahingi na lang ng kanin lamig.
O teka, tingnan ko kung may tira. Sandali.
Sana mayroon. Kasi gutom na ako. Aling ID, alauna na.
Sandali, kuha ko sa loob.
Kaya bilisan mo. Sobrang init na.
Parang kaliligo mo na sa dagat.
Ito,
Balik mo na yung plato ha, sa uli mo.
anong ulam nyo?
Ha?
May ulam kayo?
Ano pati ulam?
Eh, wala akong iuulam dito. Puro kanin.
Dinataan nga lang na ano yun. Alimasa, ilang piraso ng hinalo ko.
Ayan, tamang-tama. Meron kayong ginataang alimasa. Para makatikim din ako kahit sabaw. O,
Ano?
sabaw. Kahit sabaw, pakilagyan mo na lang.
Ay, itidirect ako na rin dito.
Kasi gutom na ako eh. Nanginginig na ako sa kutong.
Patingin nga ng inig.
Kaya nakipot lang. Sige na.
Iba ka talagang kumari kapitbahay. Ang basahin.
Ay, salamat. Makatikim ako. Imported ba to?
Oo, galing ibang bansa.
Imported aloe vera.
Sa Kawit, ay sa Kuwait pala yan, galing.
Kuwait?
Oo.
Kala ko sa kawit.
Dalawa na lang. O yan, dalawa.
Ay, tamang-tama. Wala akong sabon. Mabango ba to?
Aba, syempre.
At hindi maganda yung tatak nito.
Hindi maganda. Maganda yan, mahal
Gusto
nga
ko
yan.
yung mga Jergens. Pampano.
Ano?
Moisturizing. Jergens.
Ay, namili ka
Jergens.
pa? Sa'yo pa nang galing yung brand. Maganda rin yan, mabango.
Mabango ba to?
Oo.
Baka pang ano lang to ha. Para
Grabe
sa
ka naman bigyan.
Baka para sa lang yan. Oh! Bakit may bawas?
Hindi yan bawas.
Hindi yan bawas?
Hindi, nakamali lang yan, oh. Ganyan kasi dapat yan. Hindi yan bawas. Naipit
Ano
lang
yun?
yan sa
Binawasan
bagahe.
sa bagahe?
Hindi, naipit lang yan sa bagahe. O, ito, ano ba, hindi mo ba tatanggapin? O, ano?
Tatanggapin.
Eh, ba't nagreklamo
Gusto ko
ka
kasi
pa?
may tatak eh. Ito, saan ba to ginagamit? Ito.
Sa ano yan? Sa...
Mukha.
Sa mukha.
Para gumanda yung mukha.
Bakit anong akala mo titimplahin?
Oo, akala ko.
Hindi yan palaman.
Wala ba lang pagkain?
Walang pagkain.
Kahit biskwit, chocolate, diba, mga ano, imported.
Biskuit,
Oo,
nakala.
NMM. Maligo tayo sa beach, doon sa Ligo Beach.
Wow, magbe-beach parang walang utang.
Baon ko na to.
Ikaw na talaga mag-isa?
Hindi, marami kami. Mga kamarites ko doon na makikita-kita.
Wow! Iba talaga kayo, anak.
Mali ba?
Ano ba? Aura na aura ka na naman.
Wala ka ba dyan cream? Kahit
Wala.
ano, lotion?
Doon ka tumingin sa, palengke.
Wala.
Kuya, ba't lagi kang pawis? Hindi naman. Minsan, papunta, pa-north ako, tapos pa-east, pa-south. Hindi naman pawis always. Why? Wow, there's a Mickey Mouse. Bro, that is my favorite food. Wow. Ma'am, ilang ulit na yun bumalik sa entrance, ma'am ba? Naka-crash yun sa inyo. Tinatarayan ako ah. You think you can guard me? You can't guard me. I'm unguardable. You don't like me anymore? Just tell
No,
me.
no, no. I like you. I like you, but I
Just
have
tell-
to
just
talk
tell-
with
just
my
tell-
friends.
Just tell me.
No, 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 no. I like
It's like
you.
you're not paying attention to me anymore. It's like I'm
No.
begging for your attention.
Okay.
Like
See you
that.
next time. Because I have to talk with my family. Okay.
Family or me? Who's more
Family.
important?
I'm sure my family. I choose my family. Time to goodbye.
Okay,
Bye bye.
leave.
Bye bye.
I dare you to leave.
What is your name?
Guess.
What?
I am Batman.
You are Batman.
Yes.
Witsi, come on, tap to screen, everyone, guys, tap to screen, please. Everyone, tap to the screen.
No, don't be mad at me. I'm just talking to you.
Mr. Batman,
Yes.
I follow you. Follow me back, my friend.
You can try.
You are good boy.
But I got to give justice to the people.
Tite! What is Tite? Wait, I kiss you so much. Don't afraid, please. Come here, my boy, come here. Don't afraid. This is mistake. In chat tell me, say you, Titi, but I don't say it again.
You. What does Oten mean? Oten. Oten.
Why?
Because the people right here on my chat say Oten, say Oten. What is Oten? Is bad thing? Is
Ma'am,
bad?
ma'am, don't call his name, ma'am, or else he will go outside in the night. He's a monster. It's like a, folklore here. It's like a story. If you call Oten, he will come to the night and knock on your doors.
No.
Yes.
No, man. I'm scared. Why did people say to me? Write his name.
I don't know, ma'am.
Oh, guys, leave alone, please. How are you? Sleep now in the night. But okay, but I'm not have a door because I live in the ocean. I'm a mermaid. You forget? I forget. But okay.
Hey, ma'am, even if you're in the ocean, ma'am, Oten knows how to go inside really deep, shallow water, ma'am. Just be...
No, guys, no. The people say, you from Philippines?
Say, ma'am, say Kifi, ma'am, Kifi, to get all the bad spirit. Kifi. Like that. Go! It's a spell.
Yes, I can go see that song.
Mermaid,
You like singer too?
mermaid, say Kifi. So that the bad
What
spirit...
does Kifi mean? What does Kifi?
Kifi means give it away from me. Give the bad vibes away. Kifi. It's shortened for give it away. Go. Please, go.
O que é isso, gente? O que é que ele tá falando? O que é Kifi, gente? Me ajuda.
Kifi. Ay, mermaid.
What does Kifi mean?
Huh? Say Kifi. Give the bad, give it away, ma'am. Give it.
Snake!